Alrighty, so here we have another circuit. This time we're looking at a non-digital input switch. So what we're basically doing is we're using the switch and it should operate on the circuit, but it's not acting as a digital input. We're already running, so if I press the button, you can see the light goes on. So what's happening here is that electrons are actually coming out of ground. They're flowing through here, going through the resistor, into the LED, up and around to the left-hand side of the switch. And then when the switch is pressed, they can jump across to the right-hand side of the switch, because that's how the switch operates, continue down here into the 5-volt and complete the circuit. And for that reason, the LED goes on when the switch is pressed. When it's off, the electrons can't jump across, and so the circuit is broken, the light doesn't go on. Interestingly, if you have a look at the code for this circuit, you can see it's completely empty. And so for that reason, it is not a digital input. It's a simple, the switch in this particular instance, the switch here, is a simple electronic component.